What are hard shoes in Irish dance? Have you ever watched an Irish dance performance and wondered about the shoes that make those captivating sounds? Let's talk about hard shoes, a vital part of Irish dance. Often referred to as heavies, these shoes play a significant role in the world of Irish traditional dance. They are designed to create a unique, percussive sound, much like tap shoes, and are essential for the more dynamic styles of Irish dance. The history of hard shoes in Irish dance goes back many years, tracing roots to early forms such as sean-nós. This style of dance is known for its improvisational nature and strong connection to traditional Irish music. Over time, the design of hard shoes has changed, featuring a stiff sole and a hardened leather tip. These tips often have small nails, known as tingles, which enhance the sound produced during performances. In the journey of learning Irish dance, students typically start with soft shoes. Once they have gained some experience, they transition to hard shoes. This shift is not just about changing footwear, it requires skill and practice. Dancers must learn how to master the technique of dancing on fiberglass tips and heels. The result is a powerful and rhythmic style that showcases intricate footwork and explosive movements. As you travel through Ireland, you may have the chance to see or even join in on Irish dance performances. Understanding the significance of hard shoes can deepen your appreciation for this vibrant tradition. Whether you are attending a local dance event or visiting a dance school, recognizing hard shoes will help you connect with the lively world of Irish dance. So, next time you hear the rhythmic sounds of hard shoes tapping against the floor, you will know the history and craftsmanship behind them. These shoes are not just footwear. They are a symbol of Irish culture and tradition, bringing together music, dance, and community in a beautiful way.